Oakley's been around since 1975. We are the biggest sports performance eyewear brand that's out there. We're still a design-driven company. We're just a lot bigger than we used to be. I'm Jonathan Klingenpeel, and I am Oakley's design model shop manager. My team and I basically take a 2D sketch on paper and make it reality. HP's multi-jet fusion technology has allowed us to make things faster, cheaper, lighter, just better all around.
The ability to go from a digital model to a 3D print and just see it, I think that's huge. I think the iterative process is quicker. You can make changes and throw it on the printer and keep working.
Before, when we had to wait 2 to 3 days, now we can see a part in 24 hours. So we can get 2 to 3 iterations in the time that it took us to get one part before.
The other one is being able to see color blocking. You can change the color, break up the material in the model, and then print it at different colors and really see what we're looking at, and it helps.
And the good thing with the HP Multi-Jet Fusion is with that material, it closely replicates what we're actually going to be using in production. It's lightweight, it's durable, it's something that we can use during testing.
It's even closer to having the real part, an actual nylon part. And the physical model is always more important. You can't just evaluate on a screen.
Besides being able to do multiple pieces, we can also do large pieces like our helmets, and we do all sorts of trophies for company events, and we get to use it for fun too. Oakley's design team has the highest of standards, and HP's Multi-Jet Fusion delivers on that.
It's no longer a luxury to have it, it's a must.